Okay, so for today's video from the 51 Sales Hub Automations Guide, I'm going to cover a really simple one that is often overlooked, at least from what I see in dozens of Sales Hub instances, is that people do not use the full power of the task player. So the task player is one of the greatest automations in the Sales Hub because it allows you to just run through tasks without having to go back and forth to your list by hitting Start Tasks. So if I were to click Start Tasks, it's going to go to every single one of these types of tasks, okay? So if it's an email that has an email template associated, then it's going to pop up in the record with that email template. If it is a to-do, then it's going to take me to the record where I have the to-do, okay? So a lot of sales reps, especially if you're doing outbound motions, you want to run through everything in a very efficient manner. So you might want to go through all the calls first and then go through all the emails and then all the to-dos. So you can actually filter by the task type. So we can filter by tasks that are calls. And let's just there we go. So we can filter by that. So we could actually right now start just these 6 tasks and it would actually go to those records. And then we know that what we need to do is call. So we could just click our little call button here and get that going right away. And we can add in other tools as well to HubSpot to make the calling feature even more robust. So then similarly, okay, we just did our calls. So now let's say we want to run through all of our emails. Then we can go ahead and do this. Click Start Tasks, and there we go. This popped up with the template that was attached to this task, and I can go ahead and run through that very quickly. So again, not super hard to set this up. All you have to do is go to the task player, which you need a Sales Hub seat to use, and then you can filter by due date. You can filter by the queue that a task is in. You can filter by the type of task, all sorts of things so that you can efficiently run through everything at one time. So have a good time completing your tasks and let me know if you have any questions.